Hi there, we're going to take a quick look at creating an MP4. So first things first, we go to File, Export, Media, and this is the export window. And the two important things that you're going to need to choose are the format and the preset. And the format, this drop-down list doesn't really make things very clear because there's actually a mix of quite a few different types of things in here. So there's images and audio files. There's what are called codecs and other things that are called wrappers. So QuickTime's a kind of wrapper. H.264 is a kind of codec. So it does make it a little bit confusing for most people. But to create an MP4, we're going to choose this one, H.264, and that's type of video codec. That's how the video is being compressed. And that's used for so much these days. So 80% of the world's videos in the H.264 codec. So if you're going to do stuff for YouTube and Facebook and Twitter and Instagram, you choose that codec. Now take a look down here under output name. You'll see that it's the name of our sequence followed by an MP4. So that H.264 codec gets put inside of an MP4 wrapper or container. So that's how you create the MP4. Next step, you just choose the preset. So you know, there's a few good presets in here. I'll usually make my own. But yeah, that's all you're going to need to do to create an MP4. Hope that was useful. Bye.